Ever come across apps that may not be the most feature-rich, but are just so well designed that you can't help but use regularly? To generate such high functionality, UI/UX designers play a crucial role in creating user-friendly and visually appealing digital products such as websites and mobile apps. Additionally, the increasing use of digital products in everyday life had led to high demands for UI/UX designers, making them valuable assets in many industries. You are already watching Simplilearn, and today we bring you this informative video about how to become UI and UX designer. And if you are a tech geek, here is a brain teaser for you. User interface design implemented is an iterative process that draws on predefined design principles. Is it true or false? Let us know your answer below and get a heart from Simplilearn. Before we begin, if these are the videos you like to watch, then hit that subscribe button and the bell icon to get notified every time we upload a new video. Without any further delay, let's get started with the session on what makes UI/UX easy to use. Well, UI/UX designers aim to create products that are easy to use by following several principles, such as keeping interface simple and using consistent design patterns, designing interfaces that provide clear feedback, following accessibility guidelines, and continuously testing the product with users to get feedback and make changes accordingly. By following these principles and the best practices, UI/UX designers can create products that are user-friendly and meet the needs of their target audience. So now that we have understood how UI/UX is easy to use, we will now explore their importance. UI/UX design is crucial for success of any digital product. For example, the UI/UX design of Instagram stories emphasizes simplicity, creativity, and ease of use, allowing users to quickly and effectively share their experience with others. Various creative tools for adding text, stickers, filters, and more to enhance the visual appeal of stories. Also, it determines how enjoyable it is for users to interact with the product. A well-designed UI/UX can distinguish between a widely adopted product and a quickly abandoned one. But why UI and UX? UI/UX is important because it directly impacts a user experience with the product. A well-designed UI/UX can make a product easy to use, visually appealing, and provide a seamless experience for the users. This can lead to increased users' engagement and satisfaction and even drive sales. In short, a good UI/UX can make the difference between a product that is successful and one that is not. A poor UI/UX can lead to frustration, confusion, and ultimately users abandoning the product. Additionally, it's also a way of differentiating your product from competitors, as a well-designed UI/UX can make it stand out in the market. Now that we have covered all the basics of UI/UX, next, let's discuss the salary for both UI and UX designers. The salary for a UI/UX designer can vary widely depending on the factors such as location, experience, and the specific company or industry. However, here are some approximate salary ranges for UI/UX designers in India and the US. UI/UX designers' salaries in India ranges from 2.1 lakh to 15.0 lakh per annum, with an average annual salary of 5.5 lakhs. And talking about the US, a UI/UX designer's annual salary is approximately $98,000. The employment situation for them is stable and expanding. But what kind of role should UI/UX designers aim for? UI/UX designers play different but complementary roles in the design and development of digital products. UI designers are responsible for products, visual design, and layout, including the layout of buttons, menus, and other interactive elements. They create the overall look and feel of the product and ensure that it is visually appealing and easy to navigate. UX designers, on the other hand, focus on the overall user experience of a product. They conduct user research, testing, and analyze to understand the needs and behaviors of users. They use this information to create wireframes, prototypes, and user flows that will guide the development of the product. They also ensure that the product is easy to use and efficient. In summary, UI designer focus on the visual design and layout of the product, while UX designer focus on the user experience and usability of the product. Both roles have worked together to create a digital product that is visually appealing, easy to use, and provides a great user experience. Now that we have talked about the role, let's explore the roadmap for becoming a UI/UX designer. The first one is learn the fundamentals of design. Study design principles such as layout, typography, color theory, and user experience. And the second is get familiar with design tools. Learn to use popular tools such as Adobe XD, Sketch, Figma, and InVision. And the third one is build a portfolio. Create a portfolio of your design work to showcase your skills and abilities to potential employers. The next one is network. Attend design events, meet other designers, and join online design communities to learn about new design trends and technologies. The next one is keep learning. Stay updated on the latest design trends and technologies by taking online classes, attending workshops, and reading design blogs and books. The next one is specialize. Decide on a specific area of UI/UX design in which you want to specialize, such as mobile design or web design. Continual learning and development as a field of design is constantly changing and evolving. It's important to keep learning and staying updated with the latest design trends and technologies. And the last one is certification. If you want to demonstrate your skills and knowledge in a specific UI/UX design area, consider obtaining a certification. Up next, we will see the skills required to become UI/UX designer. Now, to become a UI/UX designer, one must possess technical and creative skills. These include strong understanding of design principles, including layout, color theory, typography, and user-centered design. Knowledge of user research and user testing method of understanding users' requirements. Strong communication skills to effectively present and explain design decisions to stakeholders. Understanding web development technologies and ability to design for various platforms including desktop, mobile, and web. Strong problem-solving skills to create effective and efficient design that meet users' needs. Knowledge of accessibility and inclusive design principle ensures the design is accessible to all users. Continuous learning and keeping up with new design trends and technological advancements. In summary, UI/UX designers must have a blend of technical and creative skills, a deep understanding of design principles, a user-centered design approach, and the ability to learn and adapt to new technologies and trends constantly. Now we'll see what tools are required or what tools are commonly used in UI/UX designing. So the first one is Sketch or Adobe XD. These tools are used to create wireframes, mockups, and user interface prototypes. InVision. This prototyping tool allows designers to create interactive wireframes and prototypes. InVision. This is also a prototyping tool that allows designers to create interactive wireframes, mockups, and prototypes. Figma. This is a cloud-based design tool that allows for collaboration among multiple team members and can be used for creating wireframes, mockups, and prototypes. User testing. This tool allows designers to conduct user research and testing to gather feedback on their designs. These are some common tools used in UI/UX design, but the specific tools used will depend on the project and the designer's preference. Let's discuss what practices are needed for UI/UX designers. Becoming a UI/UX designer requires education and practical experience. A strong foundation in design is essential. To gain practical experience, designers can participate in internship or freelance projects. Additionally, it's important to stay up to date with the latest design trends, for example, the dark mode concept, tools and technologies to ensure you can deliver design that meets the need of the modern digital landscape. Participating in design communities, attending conferences and workshops, and taking online courses can keep your skills sharp. The ability to cooperate and communicate with cross-functional teams, such as developers, product managers, and stakeholders, is another requirement for UI/UX designers. Next, we will see portfolio for UI/UX design that needs to include. A UI/UX design portfolio is a collection of a digitally made showcase of past designers' skills and abilities in designing user interfaces and user experience for various digital products, such as websites, mobile apps, and software. It demonstrates a designer's design process, problem-solving skills, and ability to create user-centered designs. Having a portfolio is important because it helps designers to effectively communicate with their work and skills to potential clients or employers, and it allows them to stand out in a competitive job market. Example of your best UI or UX work should be included in your portfolio, along with a summary of your professional background and a landing page that makes it simple for hiring managers and recruiters to find what they are looking for. 3 main things your UI/UX portfolio should include: an attractive landing page, a few case studies, and work history. Here is an example for you. Nia Watkins is a UX designer. Many of the obvious checkboxes are checked in her UX portfolio, including clear design, navigation, and well-organized case studies. However, Nia's About section is what really makes her UX portfolio stand out. Now, when someone is viewing your UX portfolio, they might not immediately look at your About Me page. However, if they manage to get that far, it is a crucial chance for you to share your story and say something noteworthy. Nia accomplishes this in just 4 condensed paragraphs. She begins by clearly stating who she is and what she does. Then she describes her previous work and how it influenced her decision to pursue a career in design. Nia talks about how she encountered ineffective, poorly designed websites while working in civil service and frequently had no use creative solution to save time, energy, and money. She expresses her view on what makes a good designer, understanding the human experience. Last but not least, Nia shares her hobbies and interests outside of design with us. Nia's About section is strong, unique, and impactful. It is an essential component of her brand and portfolio, not just an afterthought. You may not realize how important your About Me page is. You can definitely take a reference from Nia's portfolio and create a unique About section for yourself that relates a personal, meaningful story about your enthusiasm for user experience, contains few brief paragraphs about your experience, and inform the reader about the person who created the portfolio. Let's take a brief look at companies that hire UI/UX designers: Google, Freelancer, Apple, Amazon, IBM, Microsoft, Facebook, Adobe, Salesforce, Tesla, and Oracle. It is important to research the companies you are interested in, their design philosophy, and the type of products they design to ensure a good match with your skills and interests. After looking at the companies that hire UI/UX designer, we will see how to apply for this job. So you can follow these steps to apply for a job in UI/UX design. Update your portfolio and resume to reflect your abilities better. Investigate potential employers and job posting in the industry. Personalize your cover letter and resume for each position you can apply, and network with others in the field to obtain recommendation or connections. By practicing and showcasing your design process and problem-solving abilities, you can get ready for the interview. Now at the last, we will discuss some tips for interview. Know the company and the role. Research the company, its product, and specific role you are interviewing for. Show your portfolio. Have a strong portfolio that showcases your design skills and process. Understand the design process. Be able to explain the design process you created and how you approach solving design problems. Be familiar with industry tools. Know the most commonly used design tool and be able to explain why you are using them. Know the user-centered design principle. Be familiar with user-centered design principle and be able to apply them to real-world scenarios. Stay up to date. Be knowledgeable about current design trends and technologies. Be yourself, show your personality, and let your passion for design shine through. Gathering user requirements, creating graphic elements, and creating navigational components are all duties of a UI/UX designer. Therefore, in order to succeed in this role, you should have a prior experience using design software and wireframes tool. Thanks for watching this video. If you have any question that have come up about UI/UX design or what UI/UX designers, please put them in the comment below. And you can find a link for the detailed tutorial on what is UI/UX design in the description. If you like this video, hit the like button below and stay tuned to Simplilearn.
Hi there, if you like this video, subscribe to the Simplilearn YouTube channel and click here to watch similar videos. To nerd up and get certified, click here.